Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the raw Accel on your PC or laptop. So first you just need to open up your any browser and in the Google search box just type the raw Accel and just search for it. And now you will see the GitHub website like this. It shows the kernel mode of mouse Accel. So you just need to click on the GitHub website. Here you just need to scroll down and look for the download option. And if you don't find it, you just need to scroll up and on the right hand side, you will see the releases and just click on the version you are seeing. So in my case, it is the 1.6.1, which is the latest version of the raw SL. So just scroll down, you will see in the assets, you will see the raw SL zip file. So once you click on that, now it is downloading the zip file on your PC. So guys, once it was downloaded, you just need to right click on your zip file and simply click on the extract files. So once here, you just need to select the location where you want to extract it. Click on the new folder to create the new folder on the destination. Click on the OK. So guys, after that you can navigate to the location where you extract it. After that, just open up the raw SL folder you are seeing. Then open up the raw SL folder again you are seeing here. So now here you have to look for the installer like this. So once you find it, just open it. Now click on the yes option. Now here you will see the install is complete and change will take effect after the restart. So you have to just press the any key to close this window, and once this windows was closed, you just need to restart the PC, and after the restart you just need to open up the raw ISL which has the black mouse icon. So once you open it, now the RSL will start working on your PC. Guys, this is how you can download and install it. If you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video because this is the only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.